Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It is free 99 to hit that subscribe button, and we'd be grateful to have you. Over here, I do digital budgeting as well as we're adding in planner budgeting soon, and cash stuffing that we're doing today, allocations, closeouts, tracking, all the things, okay? So if any of that interests you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you're not new here, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to also make sure your notifications are turned on. So now that we've done all the church announcements, let's get into cash unstuffing and then restuffing. Don't forget to say hi to Agnes and her unicorn friend over here. All right, so let's get into the wallet. So let's get out whatever we have. And I've been trying you guys to be much better at even tracking what's in here. Y'all know I track my credit card spending, but I'm trying to track this more. So groceries. The only reason I have money left in groceries is because I shopped my pantry this last weekend. But then I took the money and ate out kind of. So we have $30 left in groceries, 20-30, which is great because we start with 80. So we started with 90 this week. Groceries were $24. We were down to $66. And then we had Popeyes for $25. So what I ended up doing was I actually didn't buy enough groceries to last the whole week. So then I ended up buying like a family pack from Popeyes and ate that for the rest of the week. So then we were down to 41. And then the following week I shopped my pantry, and then we spent $11 at JJ Fish, leaving us with $30, which is exactly what I had. So I'm very proud of myself. I usually just keep the receipts nearby to kind of help remind me of what I spent, or I try to do it on like a daily basis. All right, and so next we have gasolina. So our tracker says that we should have $20 left. Let's see. Okay, these flowers, I love y'all, but y'all getting in my way. Gas has $20. Yes, which is good because we went down to 60 from 80, and I wasn't sure it was gonna work out, but it did because gas is less. So basically we started with 60, and then we had 10 on 2023 we got gas for $20, 40, and then 11.2, $20 more, and we're down to 20. So we have exactly what the tracker says we have. And then allowance ain't got no money, y'all. It ain't got no money. So it started off with $30. I don't know. See, I'm so used to you guys having like natural light, and I'm using a light, and so it's a little weird. So I hope y'all can see all these shadows. This is there was, what does that say? American Deli, $14 eating out, so that left us with $16. Then we used $5 on snacks and had $11 left. Then we had Chick-fil-A, and I had a gift card of $10, and then I only had to use $3 because that was the balance, and that left us with $8. And then I picked up some food or snacks or something for $8 and $0 left. So that is how we spent our allowance and one of our gift cards. Yay. Self-care has $1 left per the tracker and per the money. Self-care had $40, and then we had $14. We went and got our eyebrows done, $6 for a tip. So $20. Is that too much? Actually, I got my big toe nail fixed and the eyebrows fixed. Done, and so $14, and so that was tipped between two people. $6 for $20 left, and then 14 plus 6 is 20, and so we had $20 left minus 40 is $20. Then I went to Dollar Tree and got some candy and nail stuff, and that was $13, leaving us $7, and then $6 on food and $1 left. There's our dollar. And then we have giving, which I didn't spend anything giving. Giving still has a $5. Nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I didn't really go anywhere to like see anybody that needed anything. And I'm gonna leave the $5 in there. Okay, so let's see what we have left minus the $5 in giving. 20. Get it together here. Get it together. We have 20, 30, 40, 50, $51. We got $51. So excited about that. All right, so that's amazing. Let's go ahead and restuff our cash envelopes. Where are we going? Where the money resides? Where the money resides? Where the what? Where the money resides? Where the money resides?
Because I'm asked, what the what? What the money reside? What the money reside? What the money reside? What the money reside? Okay.
All right, so I've already put the money in order. One day I got bored and started counting it. There is going to be $260 this time. You guys know we normally get $220, but then I had to take out $40 for Zumba so I can go to Zumba for the month of November. And so there should be $260. So we got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let me move this money out before I get myself confusion, okay? Let's put y'all over there. And then we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60. So $260. Exactly what I said. Exactly what I said. So let's get our envelopes back together. Giving already has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I'm actually going to take that $1, the dollar from our $51 and put it and make it 6. So now we only have 50. So now giving should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm trying to start rolling my giving because the holidays are coming. And you never know what you can do or what you can give. So that's giving. I did that so backwards. So I guess we're going in reverse order today. Separate these out. So giving is stuffed. Then to keep going in this direction, we have self-care. Self-care is getting 40, 20, 40, 20, yeah, 20, 40. 40 in the self-care. And I'll refill out the sheet when I do it again. Basically, all I'm going to do is put a different highlight or the highlighter and then start it again. Start the total back at 40. And then the next thing would be allowance. Allowance gets 30 now because we took 20 away from gas. So we put 10 in groceries and an extra 10 in groceries and an extra 10 in allowance. So allowance gets $20, $30 in allowance. And there's its tracker. I'm actually looking forward to switching back to envelopes like my friend made me. I'm so excited. And then gas would be next. Gas is getting 60 now instead of 80. So 20, 40, 50, 60, 20, 40, 50, 60 in gasolina. And then we have groceries, last but not least. And groceries is now getting 90. So 20, nope. Because I don't, well, I guess it don't matter. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, $90 in groceries. And that's all of our everyday cash envelopes done. And then we have 20, 30, $40, which is for Zumba. So I'm going to put Zumba money back where the money was residing, just to keep it separate. I have class tomorrow on Saturday, or maybe you'll see that this tomorrow. I have class today. Happy Saturday. And I'll give it to her then, and then we'll put the dividers back into the poor little wallet. It's still falling apart, y'all. I'm so excited to hopefully get a new one. Y'all probably like, why do you keep doing this? It's slightly satisfying, but this wallet is so old. I'm excited to get a new one for 2024, God willing. And that is everything stuffed in my wallet. Yay. Then we just have to deal with what's left over. Let's bring over our pink binder. We've got 10, we got 20, 30, 40, 50, like we knew that. So there's $50. Let's go into our little situation over here because this was the last paycheck that we unstuffed of October. So everything that we have saved in our little October savings is going to go together and go back to the bank. So this is our October savings right here. And we have 20, 30, 1, 32. We have $32 in there. And then we also have, remember we were doing Keeping It Real. We were able to save 10, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. We're able to save $37 in this envelope, which we're done with this right now. We did it. We saved all we could save. And this $37 actually needs to go into the bank to pay for the candy, because the 37 we actually saved more than $37. We had spent some of it already, but what we had left for Halloween candy we used. I bought a bag from Sam's for like $20, and then another big whole large full-size candy thing from Walmart for like $20. So that's okay. I think we were off a little bit, but not nothing too crazy. So this is actually, I need a back to the bank envelope. So what we'll do is in this little compartment here that has all my little gift cards, I'm gonna put the money that needs to go into the bank, and I will actually, let me leave it right there. I need to put a little sticky note around it that these is going in the bank to go to the credit card for Halloween candy. And then now we need to find our holiday ones. So I made holiday ones, and this one's 75, 10, and 50. I would love to do 100 because I actually want to use it for Black Friday. I've got my eye on a few things. And so let's see. First things first. So this is our emergency fund money. I'm going to go ahead and put we have an emergency fund. I guess I want to put $30 in our emergency fund money. So added to our emergency fund money, we're gonna have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 162. Yay, we'll have $62. And we already have, so bi-weekly, we put $25 each time in our cash envelope for emergency. So 25 was on the first paycheck, and we put 25 on the second paycheck. So we had 50. And we'll do a tracker online, but I just want to make sure, I want to try and make sure we add 100. So we only need to have 50. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Yeah, so we're going to add, I was thinking about just doing 52, but no, why not? Emergency fund is the main goal. So we'll have, that ain't right. What? 62 plus 50 is 112. Where the players dwell.
Yes, the more I, the smaller the Philly gets. Room 112, where the players dwell. And stash more cash than Bert Fidel. In hand.
So once I add this 62 into the bank, also money going to the bank, with our emergency fund, we should have added $112. We'll do a tracker on that and see where we're at with the total. We're trying to get to $3,000. Every little bit helps. So now I have $20 to put into my Christmas blessings, basically Black Friday shopping. And we only have 120 on here, so perfecto. I'm gonna just do that. We saved the $20. I wonder if I can write on my ball. We saved $20. We'll let that dry, and we'll use the same envelope we were using before because it already got a little bit of blue stuff on it. We can take this one out. $20. We'll let this dry a little bit. But we gotten started. And these two things need to go to the bank. And our envelopes are cashed. So yeah, as soon as I put some sticky notes on those, then we're good to go. All right, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, order to be great. Yes, be grateful. Super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year. Not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever,